Welcome to my workshop. Today I'm gonna start looking at the front suspension. Unfortunately, there is some rust pitting on the tubes. I have polished all the rust pittings I can find. The seals are tight. There are no leaks on the seals. And the rust pitting is rather high on the tube, so the suspension has to go almost all the way down until the rust pitting hits the seal. I polished it and I hope that it will not be any wear on the seals. I'm not going to replace the seals now. I'm gonna order a kit with new dust seals and new simmering seals, and I'm just gonna replace the dust seals for now. I don't want to change the tubes right now. I want to spend my money on progressive springs. I'm gonna paint it, brush it up and paint it black. I think that will look better. Get them black. That's the plan. Before I install the engine, I will have to install these ignition coils, because they are inside the frame and it's not possible to get them out with the engine fitted on the back. I'm going to replace the ignition cables and the spark plug connectors, because when I took them off and checked, there are some rust and a lot of wear and tear in the end of the cables on both sides, going inside here. Inside the frame. When I finish with the front forks, I'm starting with the motor. I'm trying to clean it up, wash it, clean it up and paint it. I'm gonna replace some seals here, the clutch rod seal and the drive shaft seal. I'm gonna replace some bolts, change the clutch and the clutch springs and bolts if I can find new. The rear set is actually in terrible condition. So I've decided to order a new complete set, complete new rear set from Rask, Sweden.